year's celebration of Saraswati Vidya Niketan High School. I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests, parents, teachers, press reporters, well-wishers and students. I invite you to join us in commemorating this remarkable journey. Let's make this event memorable. We are excited to celebrate the 40th anniversary of our Saraswati Vidyaniketan High School, a milestone that marks 4 decades of learning and growth. Without taking too much of the time, I will be quickly sharing the achievements of our school. Saraswati Vidyaniketan High School is considered one of the best schools in the Ambarpet division. Here in our school, we don't just focus on academics, but try to teach things which will help our students to be good citizens and good individuals too. We have started our school in the year 1985 with 25 students as a small institution with 3 teachers. By our struggle and with the filling faith in us, we presently standing before you with a total strength of 1100 students and a team of approximately 50 teachers. We have well-designed, vast, spacious classrooms, equipped laboratory, abacus classes, yoga and motivational classes. Also, we conduct the cultural programs time to time. We extend our heartfelt thanks to supportive parents, dedicated staff members, and students who work tirelessly to make our school what it is today. Our school aim is to equip each and every student with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to succeed in their future endeavor. In the past years, our students have achieved great things. Many of them are now successfully working as doctors, engineers, police officers, government and private officials, and professionals in multinational companies. Our school received Pratibha Award from the government of Andhra Pradesh, which was a great honor for the people of Ambarpet Mandal. Not only this, when grading system was announced by the government, our students obtained 10 by 10 grade point average in the very first year of its implementation. Since then, achieving 10 by 10 GPA has become common for our students. In the past years, achievers of 10 by 10 GPA were encouraged by the cash prizes of rupees 10,000 and rupees 20,000. Our Honorable Principal, Mr. J. Rashekar Reddy Sir's main aim in his life is to work for the better future of students by imparting quality education. A great principal builds character, inspires dreams, encourages creativity, builds confidence, instills a love of learning, touches hearts, and changes lives. If the school principal is strong, motivated, and a good manager, then the school tends to make progress. Our respected principal, Mr. J. Rashekar Reddy Sir, is more than a leader. He currently holds the position of AMRSA, Ambarpet Mandal, Recognized Schools Association, which is a great honor and proud for all of us. He is the architect of our school's vision. The success and inspiring atmosphere of our school are a direct result of the visionary leadership and unwavering commitment of our principal, Mr. J. Rashekar Reddy Sir, who has always believed in the power of education and nurturing young minds. Mr. J. Rashekar Reddy Sir is a true leader with the compassion to listen to the needs of teachers and students and the courage to make tough decisions for the greater good. Dear audience, today you will get chance to check and brilliant students dancing to the tunes of nearly 21 songs. List is given here. Tirugananda by the students of 5th group A, DJ Tillu remix dance, Shaky Shaky remix, Edi Mein Tamma Maya, Manasi Layo and Coca-Cola, Ringu Ringula Juttu Dana, Om Shanti Om, Pranavalaya, Botany Pata Undi, Guva Gorinka, Pare Godari, Monica Remix, Dolida, Bale Gundi Bala, Nelluri Neerajana, Barsore Megha, Ramulamma, Chinuku Chinuku, Welcome Dance, Jaya Jaya He Telangana, Pingaka Pori. I request all the audience to please feel comfortable in your seats before the cultural program starts. I take immense pleasure in announcing that our today's Honorable Chief Guest is Sri G. Kishan Reddy Garu Sir, the Union Minister of Coal and Mines in the Government of India. And our today's guest of honor is Sri Kaleru Venkatesh Garu Sir, MLA of Ambarpet constituency. And the special invitee to our today's Tarang 40 years celebration of Saraswati Vidyaniketan High School is Sri E. Vijay Kumar Gaur Sir, Corporator of Ambarpet Division. I humbly request the audience once again to please comfortable in your seats before the program starts and please switch your mobiles on silent mode. And I once again make a humble request to all of you to please leave the auditorium only at the end of the program. And further, I request you not to roam in the auditorium. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ, blow my speakers up. Today I am a flight. Till we see the sunlight, tick-tock on the clock, but the party doesn't stop. Today's dance performance are just awesome. We all know that dance is the most beautiful form of expression of humans' feelings. Today we are about to witness great dancers, some great talent. So let's gear up for a beautiful start of the show. We dance for laughter, we dance for madness, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. Dear students, today you are the dancers, you create dreams. Thank you.